Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing pansgear.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that sells furniture. For example, like this, as you can see, chairs and tables right here. So basically it's home furniture. And if you're wondering if the site is legit, let's head on over here to pansgear.com on Trustpilot and see that they have 4 reviews, which is very small. However, out of the 4 reviews, they are only rated 2.6 stars. And as you can see, if you scroll down here and see the reviews, yes, they are completely scam. This website is a scam and they take your money and you never receive the item. Do not purchase from them. Do not purchase anything from Pansgear. Total scam. And as you can see, even with these only 4 reviews, it is 100% 1 star. I don't know why it is rated 2.6 when it's 100% 1 star. So please, if you're planning on buying from this store, please refrain from doing so since they are a complete scam and their website seems pretty suspicious. As you can see right here, this chair alone costs $500 and this one cost a whopping $800 and this one is also $1,000, $1,000 also, $300, $1,000 again. So please refrain from buying. There are a lot of other furniture out there which is legit and more affordable and better quality than them. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.